Alright folks, so this is part 3 of the Black Bandit build. That's the box, Black Bandit box. You can get that at www.firstfloor.online. This is the original build. CDI box, 12 volt battery. On my last video there, I had broken the case. There's my case there. I had the timing set a little bit too advanced, and the engine actually had a little bit of kickback there, and it just literally blew the case apart like it was nothing. So, yep, what I've done now is got a new one. So I'm obviously going to have to adjust my timing settings here, but I have this basically set at the number 2, which is halfway, if you can see there, which is halfway right across. So I'm going to install the cover right on the side there, and you can see there's the 2 wires there that come right off the magneto there. You got a ground right there, and then you got your kill switch cable. But there it is. Yeah, it's all connected. There's the ignition coil right there, and that runs up right up underneath the spark plug. So give me a second here, and I will I'll try to get this case on really quick. This one's secure, and I gotta set the timing a little bit ahead. Or actually, sorry, a little bit retard because of obviously the last situation there, but this is this for a bit. So after this portion here, I'm just going to take it back outside and give it another go. I'm going to actually take take the chain off so that I can actually allow the motor to run versus the clutch engaging after I bring it up to a certain RPM. So just stay tuned. I will put a part 4 here so that I don't drain it out here. Obviously, I'll be back.